Many of the topics I talk about in this course are very tactical and things you can do right away. Like, oh, here's something, do this, you'll achieve this, boom, boom, boom. This lecture is a little bit not like that. It's more theoretical and it's more of a long-term mindset that you should have, but it's going to help you. And what I want is for you to, from the beginning, to position your business to be seen as an authority, okay? Because when you are recognized as an authority, think the biggest authority on the web is, not the biggest, but one of the, is like Wikipedia, right? Generally people trust it. Generally people link to it because it's authoritative. If any sort of bigger or better known or expert company or company that's an expert in its niche, right? It doesn't have to be the biggest company out there, but at least expert in its domain. Then people see it as a credible resource and they link to it to add credibility to their whatever they're talking about, right? And as if you are seen as that and people are actually linking to you to be seen themselves as more credible, you're gonna get so many links, completely natural good links, without ever having to try to build links, right? It's just gonna come naturally. And also, if you're seen as that, people will invite you for publicity pieces. People are gonna want to interview you. People are gonna want to do all of that, and all that comes with other good links, right? So once you've built your brand to be seen as something that's authoritative, thought leader, trustworthy, people will start to naturally link to you much more. And that's, I think, something long term that the earlier you focus on positioning yourself this way, the earlier it's going to start happening for you. So this is just something to keep in the back of your mind, and to this is one of the long term business projects that you should have in your business.